So I literally sat down to film and my sprinkler just went off. And the thing is, it's gonna be 40 minutes probably, 40 to 50 minutes of the sprinkler. You know what? Let's just go with it, okay? I decided to film over here. This is my happy place. My whole yard is my happy place. I am sitting at my fire pit. I have a beautiful fuchsia plant. I gifted this to myself for Mother's Day. Back there, you could see I have 2 raised beds that my husband built me. I have all my vegetables in there. I can't believe this. This is so annoying. Yeah, you see that water? Don't worry, it's not gonna get me. And then I have all my flowers. I have a bunch of flowers over here that you can't see, a bunch over there. And I just love it here. And I thought it was kind of the appropriate place to film this because this is going to be a GlobeIn unboxing. It's a subscription service and there are different plans. So I'm trying to get comfy. There are 3 plans, I believe. There's like a 3-month, a 6-month, and an annual. It's $40 a month for the 3-month, $37 for the 6-month, and then $35 a month for an annual subscription. Now the whole thing, this is super annoying me. The whole thing about GlobeIn, which I think I came across it at like an Instagram ad or something like that, is it's all handmade products, handmade items from different villages, small towns, tribes, all around the world. I took a whole bunch of notes because this is something that I actually really strongly believe in and wanted to support. Their goal is to reduce global poverty and also to provide artisans a stable income and job opportunities and create a demand for the products that they're making. So each month there are new curated boxes. There are like more than 5 themes. Which one did I get? Did I get cozy? Maybe. There's like a launder box. Savory is more of like a kitchen, and teas are different, like foods from around the world, and cooking utensils, things like that. That was savory. There's a charm box in this month, or last month. It included like a really nice lip balm like product, handmade earrings, a really pretty hair scarf, and this Moroccan looking mirror. And there's a beauty box that is like definitely more fashion geared. So every month, it's like I said, it's $40 if you're just going to do the 3 months, $40 per month. And if there's not a box that really tickles your fancy, then you can just kind of cash in your points and use your points. Instead of $40 that month for that product, for that box, you could spend the $40 towards the shop and do add-ons. And you can also just wait and accumulate points, and it would go towards whatever other products you wanted to buy. They have a variety of stuff, different prices. They have a lot of specials and deals, so that's really cool. They are verified members of the Fair Trade Federation, which means that they pay their artisans above average wages. They make sure that there are safe and healthy work environments. There is a monthly artisan fund that you can actually contribute to, and GlobeIn pays a percentage of the cost to the artisans up front instead of making them wait till a product sells. So that is the deal. I really wanted this. Sky, let me see. It's a Malika mug, and this is from Morocco. And it comes with this card that shows you like a really quick description and then who made it. So Kalu Abdeslam. I'm sure I butchered that. I'm so sorry. Look how beautiful. I love the shape of it. Just gorgeous, well made. Oh my God, it's just so beautiful. This is like what I'm going to be using all the time now. Obsessed. This is a fair trade scarf, and that's the thing too. I really like that a lot of their products are fair trade. So this is the free weave scarf. It's hand dyed and woven by the Tonphai Collective in northern Thailand. So I like the packaging there. It's like beautiful. This is great for summer. This is actually great for where I am right now. The fire pit is in front of me. Look how beautiful. And look at the details there. And it's sturdy. It doesn't look like it's something that would catch easily. doesn't smell, hand dyed. I mean, that's beautiful, right? Now the next thing is a fair trade cocoa powder, and Margaret Fianco is the one who made this, and she's from Ghana. I love hot chocolate even in the summer. So this is 4.4 ounces, so that's nice. I mean, who doesn't like hot chocolate? And one thing I really, oh, it has a little lid. It came in this little adorable basket. So this was handmade also, and I just love the colors. It's that woven, it's by Don Juan Garcia. It is a palm leaf basket, and this is actually a purple. It looks blue. I wonder if on camera it's gonna come off purple. Beautiful, and just absolutely beautiful. And it has this cute little thing which reminds me of like Abu from Aladdin, but I just think this is so cute. And of course I look at this and I'm like, oh, how perfect would this be to like put a little plant vase in here. I'm obsessed. Now also there's always deals with GlobeIn, like free product of the day. They had like a 14-day thing recently. I think today or tomorrow might be the last day that I'm filming this. And there was like a new product every day that's on the add-on sale page that was half off. And it was actually really good prices. Now, the one that I did, I was like, oh my word, look how beautiful this thing is. I want this. I thought it was the size of the basket that I just showed you. Like, are you serious? Are you serious? It is super sturdy. I mean, look how beautiful this is. This is handmade. Big ass basket. Like, look at that. I just, oh, it reminds me of my watch. This is one of the items that my watch band that I asked my husband for Mother's Day. Super sturdy, very thick, great quality, handmade. This reminds me, guys, this is terrible, of, did you ever see Big Trouble in Little China? Kim Cattrall's in it, Kurt Russell. This reminds me of the guy at the end. Terribly politically incorrect movie, I'm sure, but massive. So I got, you know, the box in the mail, and then I'm like, I asked my husband, I'm like, did you order something? Like, there's a huge box. Who's this guy? I thought it was something this small. So I'm actually really happy. I can't believe I have this. I think this would be great to store like flip-flops, or, you know, beach shoes or towels or something, like by your pool, or blankets, and like, you know, by a couch or something, which is probably what I'm going to use it for. It is just so nice. I love it. I love it. So that's it. That is GlobeIn. I'm sure I have some kind of code, so I'll link that down below, or link, not code, but just so you know, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid or anything. This is just something, again, that I read their mission statement and really felt compelled to sign up for it. I could go spend $8 to $15 on something like this, or more probably, for like not as great quality. And it was just made in a factory somewhere, or I can make it and support Don Juan Garcia. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And like I said, I will link it down below. I hope you enjoyed. If you sat through the sound of my sprinkler, do an emoji down below if you're on your phone of like water, like those water droplets or rain or something like that, so I know that you made it through. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Unbelievable. Also, let me know down below if you're interested in like gardening videos, or just to see like my setup, how I got started, any kind of beginner tips. Let me know in the comments down below if any of you are into that, because I totally am. I'm obsessed. And that is it. I hope you guys are staying safe, enjoying your family and friends. You stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.